Oh my god, I'm so happy I got to be here today. Yeah, I know. Let's probably go home. Oh, that's the radios, guys. Please listen. There's gonna be a hurricane. Stay inside, lock your doors. There's gonna be a hurricane. So probably go home. We're closing. What? Are you the hurricane? We should probably go before it actually starts, whatever it's called. I mean the restaurant? Yeah, that. Okay, we're here, kids. Nighttime. We should probably go change. Yeah. The union is hey. Thanks. Okay. You go sleep whatever you go. I don't have enough steps, okay. Just can you copy me please? Can you sit next to me? Okay, fine. Oh. Ah! Oh, sorry, that's my phone. Yeah, there is gonna be a hurricane and we have to start fight. Oh my god. Kids, wake up. There is gonna be a hurricane. Kids. Mom. What's up? There's gonna be a hurricane there. What's gonna be on? It's just a hurricane. It's just a hurricane. Oh, Mom, I'm trying to sleep. Yeah. I'm going to bed too. I should probably go to bed. Lightning strike. That is very loud hurricane. Jeez. I should probably get. Oh my god, that is a hurricane. I should probably go to bed.
Kailan yung family tree?
I don't know.
Ano subject?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi nga nagsabi naman.
Sabi nila maggawa?
Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I hate you. I should probably get some water here. Warm water so always can make you go to sleep. Time to go bed. few cups more. Oh, why am I so itchy? I'm really itchy. Maybe it was something that wasn't the yesterday. Maybe it had egg in it. Let me see. Oh my god, my face. It's so swollen. I can't see very well. I'm itchy. Mommy. What? I will slide the fire. I think I have an allergy. Let me swallow you. Oh my god, you have an allergy. That's what I said. Let's just go probably make you a sandwich or something else. Maybe this can help you. Hurry. Seriously, Mom, it's open. Hurry. You should probably go get some water. Hurry.
I'm done na. Checking na lang ako.
Good bad. Like slide again. Ah!
Pag nakanatrap ng college, so
They die. They die again and I can go to sleep. I think we're gonna die. No, we're not. Bye guys, that's the end.